Welcome to the first step in your journey to better health with intermittent fasting. In this phase, we're going to kick things off by transitioning to 3 meals a day with absolutely no snacks in between. Now, I know snacking is a tough habit to break, but it's one of the most powerful tools to help you reach your goals faster. The secret: it's all about letting your body adapt to burning fat. Many people struggle with low blood sugar or hypoglycemia and feel like they have to snack to keep going. But here's the trick: you can avoid those snack cravings by adding more healthy fats to your meals. Fat is not only the most satisfying food, but it also triggers the least insulin. And guess what? When you adjust your fat intake just right, you won't even miss those snacks. But beware, too much fat can make you feel uncomfortable, think bloating, and even some shoulder pain. So, find that balance. And remember, the key to starting strong is to stop snacking. Every time you snack, you spike your insulin, making it harder to lose weight. So let's cut the snacks, focus on balanced meals, and start seeing results. Now that you've successfully cut out snacks and are sticking to 3 meals a day, it's time to move into phase B of your intermittent fasting journey. Here's the plan. We're going to start pushing your breakfast further and further towards lunch. Sounds challenging? Don't worry, you're more ready for this than you think. Remember, you've already been fasting all night while you sleep, and when you wake up, your body is still in fat-burning mode. Here's a golden rule to live by: don't eat if you're not hungry. It might seem strange at first, but you'll notice that after cutting out snacks and sticking to just 3 meals a day, you can actually go longer in the morning without needing to eat. The goal is to eventually eliminate breakfast altogether, so that you're only eating 2 meals a day. You've reached a major milestone. Most people find that having their first meal around noon and their second around 6 o'clock works perfectly. You've made it to phase C. Great job! By now, you're probably feeling the benefits of intermittent fasting. But what if you want to take things to the next level? That's what phase C is all about. Shorten your eating window to boost your results even further. So, what's an eating window? It's simply the time between your first meal of the day and your last. If you want to lose more weight, we're going to increase your fasting time by shortening this window. Let's say you're currently eating lunch at noon and dinner at 6. To speed things up, you could push lunch to 1 p.m. and dinner to 5 p.m., making your eating window just 4 hours. The smaller the window, the longer your body stays in fat-burning mode. This phase isn't just for weight loss. It's a great strategy for those looking to reduce inflammation, improve cognitive function, or even manage blood sugar levels. But the best part? You're in control. Adjust your window based on how you feel and the results you want to achieve. Welcome to phase D, the final and most advanced stage of your intermittent fasting journey. Here, we'll explore a powerful technique known as OMAD, or 1 meal a day. OMAD isn't just for those looking to shed pounds quickly. It's a game changer for anyone dealing with issues like inflammation, cognitive problems, or even slow metabolism. Imagine the benefits of fasting for 23 hours, allowing your body to burn fat and heal itself, then enjoying a nutrient-packed meal that fuels your day. For many, OMAD is a fantastic tool, especially during or after menopause, for those with thyroid issues, or if you're dealing with a sluggish metabolism. And believe it or not, even bodybuilders and athletes are thriving on this one meal a day lifestyle. But remember, you don't have to jump straight to OMAD. This is just another tool in your intermittent fasting toolkit. Start with 3 meals a day, move through the phases at your own pace, and see how your body responds. Whether you stick with 2 meals or give OMAD a try, the key is to listen to your body and find what works best for you. Thanks for watching. Remember, the journey to better health is all about making small, consistent changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights. Stay healthy and stay curious.